Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and gist. Still on the ultimate love, David attacks Rosie again, suggests she is desperate. It seems things are not over between the two former lovebirds, as David Wilson called out Rosie for acting desperate when new love girls were added into the love pack. David Wilson to Obiebi, when Jerry came, Rosie, they act a certain way. When Chiddy come, she dey act a certain way. She dey do papa. You be transformer. David went on to say he confronted Rosie, who seemed to saying nasty things about him behind his back after the nomination Sunday's night. David, in his word, I don't give am back to back. I go meet Rosie say wetin dey do you, wetin dey work you, because I nominate you and so Bola come tell me say wetin I do your woman now. The other day I dey play with her, Kachi say you dey romance with my woman, but na who first kiss? Could it be that so he is using slanderous talk hoping Obiebi will go and tell Rosie? I wonder. Anyway, it seems this fight between Presh David and Roxy is not going to end anytime soon, because they definitely have bad blood between them. Let's see how it all plays out. So for new viewers on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also stay tuned to this channel for more updates on your favorite reality TV show, Ultimate Love.